Hello guys, and thanks for the reaction. We're gonna get the eggs. And EVGA RTX today. Against the EVGA XC2 This is the crunch. So I think this is the X-rank. The tank. So this is RTX sync. KX6 X8 KX12. So I think the eggs. It does like the X-ray. KX. No thanks. I can't like the thanks. This is like KX. Like, don't get the script for that tank cake. Take the egg cakes. They're the KX packs. I was ignorant cakes. I can't stay going in the date. The internet, the tax crates. I'm going to get the crates to say that I actually did get the day. So this is how I call it. If we ain't like the tricks and tea, I'll get this crate. The tactics, the trigger, I can say that day for the day, really. I think sticks really the tactics tape. So this crank takes put the extra dates. As I actually like to. So that. I get the eggs. Get the scratch. Usually I get that every night. That next. Yeah. Actually, I got this card because it's like for the I do it. So this is like that's like that's right. Just getting that because it wasn't free. We got hydrates. It's TV. So I think that takes candidates. Let's see that. Inside the DA, which don't rate. So control the array. I take the grades. Hopefully, it's take the grades. Alright. X. I think it's the class, right? I think so. But this, I think it's all because of Dex. That's a J. It's a Red that Dex. So let's put that at that Dex. Alright. Okay, so now I'm going to take the scratch. So, that thing. So, the thing is drinking at that things. At the other, they had to take the things. And just going to get the that they had to like that attract. And today they get the back. It's the day. That's life. Actually, that's get the eye. It's get the day. Great. I gotta get that's great. That's right. Okay, that's right. Okay, that's right. Down. Okay, that's right. But then still that the client looks like. So a fat client. So do get the entrance to the right between client franks. The tax tank. This is a sector that there's a sector and so right? And the text that's right, we can text cards that the exchange the salt day. Those cards that the 8 60 the tanks. That's the day the tank that the tax to play. The tank it traits. But don't get your newspaper text right? The tank. Don't get drink the tanks. That's right. Get that thing. And then the catching that just can go with the yard. And then around if you're not gonna do it right, just can't take it right so you can do it right. That's correct. This is actually 2 current. Thanks. So okay, that's like that thing. And it's like that should be something. It does right there, it's scary. That's scary. Try to stay right. Current, it takes a tank. That's right.